Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the system. And then let's tap on the languages and tap on system languages at the top. So this is the list of, let's say, currently added languages we've got on the English. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. So let me choose, I don't know, Turkish. Just tap on it, choose the region if you can. Okay, and as you can see, my new language has been immediately added to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Let's tap on change. And you can see that from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position, confirm it. And we've got English applied. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And we've got only English left, or any other language, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.